in Lightroom, you can compare an image or an image state in the develop model with another state in the history panel. And I will demonstrate what you can do to compare not to the first, but to compare to any state you wish. So first of all, you have to go down to the history panel, and there you see all the settings I've done to this image. And there are a lot. If I want to see the before and after, you can go to the YY, before and after, and you see on the left the before and on the right the after, like this. In the view menu, you have also some options. So if you want to see the before on the whole screen, you can press the backspace key and then you have the before. And when you go back to the view menu, before and after, you can press again on this button. Or you take the keyboard shortcut, but I'm working with a German keyboard and now I don't have this key accessible, so I have to work on this machine with the epsilon. Okay, like this. So on the left side I have the before, on the right side the after. But what is if I want to compare not the whole before, so this step over here, create virtual copy, but I want to compare the step where I added the local adjustment, and this is here. And it's a really easy way to do, because I can just take this step and per drag and drop, throw it onto the before state. And now I have the before without my vignetting, and here I have the after. You can also go in and make a right click on any state, let's say this here, right click, and then you can say, okay, I want to copy the history step settings to the before. That's over here. Zack. And now I have the before on the left, this state, and here the after. But as mentioned before, I just want to compare without the vignetting. So while drag and drop, I drop it here inside the before. And now I see the before without the vignetting, and here the after with the vignetting. So that's a short one, but that's a really, really important one for working in Lightroom Classic and for checking what you have done. And so just remember, drag and drop from the history to the before, and then you can compare the before and the after exactly to the history state you want to compare to.